Hello, what a wonderful Sunday, everyone. Today is a gloomy day and a bit raining. Ayan, medyo maulan po ngayon ang Sunday. But, of course, hindi naman maulan ang ating spirito. Our spirit is still active and moving and keep on desiring to honor God and worship Him. One of the good things, we are right now in the midst ng February. Grabe po, no? Para ang bilis ng week, Totoo yun, no? Sabi nga nila, time flies so fast, And when time flies, meaning your life flies. Also, lumalaman at lilipad din dapat ang ating mga buhay. That is one of always good things when we are in the Lord. May mga bagay siya na move forward sa buhay natin. We don't need to have many big moves in our lives, and sometimes small movements and small decisions that we make that is right and on the perfect will of God, may change talaga na nangyayari sa buhay natin. And one of the great things ng mga decisions natin is to always come to the presence of God every Sunday to worship Him, to let go of the alibis na, maulan ngayon, makulimlim, mas masarap matulog, pagod ako, I have so many things to do. Ano eh, um, that is just part of of sabi nga natin dumadaan sa atin, kasi laging may gloomy days, laging may rainy days, laging may days of not feeling well, I'm not in a mood, but our commitment and our pledge of worship to God must not be affected on what we feel and what is our situation in our lives. So and then by doing that we can see that there is really a great move and work si God sa ating buhay. So that's why today, ayan, ngayong nasa midweek na po tayo ng February. Grabe, ang bilis talaga ng panahon, no? At sabi nga natin, ang, ang, ang ating love for the Lord must be going deeper and deeper. And, and then, not knowingly, pagpasok ng 2026, nandun na pa tayo sa pa-ending na. Kaya live our life. Yan, mabuhay tayo with purpose, with great purpose and with great meaning by serving our God and serving humanity, and also loving our families and building good relationships, and do something that you really enjoy, and something that empowers you, strengthen you, and making you grow. Ang growth ng buhay natin, hindi yan nakabase sa edad. Don't say na, may edad na ako, I don't want to go this far in this and this. Yes, might be our strength might have now limitations, but our dreams must not. And then also, acknowledging the power of God more in every opportunity that God is placing in our lap is one good thing as well. Sabi nga nila, pag ikaw ay nagkakaedad na, yan yung mas maraming opportunity, for us to move further to the things na hindi natin ginagawa, At mas may tapang na. So, para sa ating mga matatapang dyan, move forward, amen? And do something and explore and fly high. And then let's believe that the will of God always, sabi nga natin, always make sure that everything that we do must always in accordance to the will of God our Father. Amen. So, again, God bless you, everyone. May you have a wonderful time of worship today. And always remember that there is no loss and waste of time when we worship Him. It is actually valuing our time and also enriching our time every time we come into the presence of God. Again, God bless you, everyone. May all of you have a great worship Sunday to the Lord. Again, God bless you. Bye.